Hello, healthy people. We're gonna make almond milk. First, we're gonna strain our almonds, removing all water. Make sure our almonds are nice and soft. We're gonna take our water. Now let's blend this baby. Doesn't that look pretty? It looks like almond milk! So there we go. There is a legit strainer that you actually use. This is not legit. This is DIY. You know, produce comes in all those little bags, so why not save it and use it? Let me just strain it. And look at that. Almond milk. If you want to sweeten it, what you can do is you can add a vanilla extract. A little bit of powdered sugar.
Hey! I just made some almond milk. I got some almond milk. I made it.